In this video, I'll guide you through how to set a password for your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're sharing sensitive information or simply want to add an extra layer of security to your document, password protecting your PDF is a straightforward and effective way to ensure that only those with the right credentials can access or modify your content. So let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to open your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. Once you have your file open, you'll notice a toolbar running across the top of the window. What we're looking for is the All Tools pane. This is where you'll find a host of options that Adobe Acrobat offers. From the All Tools pane, go ahead and select the option labeled Protect a PDF. This feature is designed specifically for securing your documents, and it will enable us to set a password for your file. Next, you'll see a secondary toolbar appear, offering different security features. Here, you'll want to click on Protect with Password. This is the step where we set the foundation for your document security. Once you've clicked on Protect with Password, you'll be prompted to choose your protection level. Adobe Acrobat provides two main options here. You can either set a password to restrict viewing or to limit editing. If you're keen on ensuring that only approved individuals can simply open and read the document, then setting a password for viewing is your best bet. On the other hand, if you want to allow people to see the document but prevent them from making any changes, you'll want to set a password for editing. Think about your specific needs and choose the appropriate level of protection for your PDF. After deciding on the protection level, it's time to set your password. You'll see a field where you can type in your desired password. Make sure you choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols to maximize security. Once you've entered your password, you'll need to confirm it by typing it again in the confirmation field. This step ensures that there are no typos or mistakes in your password, which could potentially lock you out of your own document if not entered correctly. With your password set and confirmed, the last step is to apply these changes. You'll find a button labeled Apply somewhere on the screen. Clicking this button will finalize the process and secure your PDF with the password you've just created. Be sure to save your document after applying the changes to ensure that your settings are stored properly. And there you have it. Your PDF is now protected with a password. Remember to store your password in a safe place and share it only with individuals who truly need access. This simple yet effective method will keep your document secure and give you peace of mind knowing your information is protected. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to set a password for your PDF using Adobe Acrobat.